Alright, so we're just going to go through a simple sturgeon rig here. We're up on Rainy River. And so all it is just a simple, I don't know if you've ever catfished before, it's basically the same thing. You know, you just got the swivel with about a foot of line and a big 6/0 circle hook. And, you know, however much weight you're going to need to keep your weight on the bottom, because sturgeon are bottom feeders, so you're going to want to stay down on the bottom. And the way you do it is you just take, you know, a couple crawlers and you just string them on there, just enough to keep them on there. So a big old ball. Usually hook them a couple times, just like that. And since the primary food source in the Rainy River at this time of year is emerald shiners, I like to just toss one of those on there too, just for that scent. And there you go. That's all you do. Lay that out on the bottom and sit and wait.
Got a sturgeon, my first sturgeon ever. Lakeof the Woods, Minnesota, here in the Rainy River. That's the first dinosaur I've ever caught on rod and reel.
Let's get her landed here.
Oh, look at that. He's pretty.
Awesome.
Wow.
Check the sturgeon off the bucket list.
Yep.
Yeah, those things, huh?
Look at that.
They got spines on them that hurt
Yeah,
really bad.
That's
When they're younger, it's their defense mechanism from getting eaten. When they're really little, maybe half the size, you can barely grab them. They're so spiny. That circle hook did its job.
Yeah.
So there's their mouth. I'll show you.
Oh, don't throw it back.
I won't. See their mouth on them. So this is what they go. They go along the bottom.
They're almost like a sucker.
It just extends down, and they can just suck that back up. And then,
Wow.
just like that. Here you go.
Super neat.
That's cool.
First sturgeon ever.
Oh, dear. He's getting heavy as he gets.
Right here. That's a sturgeon.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
He's a fighter.
He's a crazy
Yeah, he's
little guy.
spinning.
Nice.
There you go.
Great job.
Awesome. Wow.
Yeah. Perfect. Like that. There you go. I'll set that down.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's fine. I've been hooked before. Ow!
Yeah. Oh no. He scares me. Sorry, but he does a little.
There you go. You just kind of like grab them just like this with that hand, and just kind of let them rest right there. Okay.
Here, take it easy with me.
So here.
All right, we're here at Lakeof the Woods, hooked up on a sturgeon. I don't know how big. He's fighting pretty good.
Yeah. Right in there.
Oh, he's nice.
Go. Perfect circle hook. There you go.
And I did not know that, but
I'll stop and show you. Just like that.
Nice.
Hang on tight.
I'm holding on, babe. Lakeof the Woods sturgeon over here. Sportsman's Lodge.
It's heavy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's lift the rod up a little bit. There you go.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Oh, dear.
She's just holding a conversation, or she never even told nobody she had a fish on.
There he is. Yeah.
No, I didn't feel him until like not as heavy. I mean, he didn't give a fight.
Yeah, let me get a picture with my phone so I can add you to the list.
I gotta hang on to that sucker.
What do you think, Lottie?
That's pretty cool. It's awesome.
Super cool.
You know it when
Oh yeah, look at that walleye.
awesome. Ah, you're gonna hit me with it. You're gravy. Holy cow. That's gonna be some good video because it's the camera's like all over the place. I'm
That's
sorry.
like a 17-incher.
That's awesome.
That's how you do it. Look at that. There we go. There's a walleye. Look at that. Anyone want to eat some walleye tonight?
Well, I think we do.
Look at that.
Boy, he liked that.
Oh yeah. Look at
Num
that.
num.
Perfect.